Going to discuss about how to find second highest salary in Microsoft SQL Server. So here I'm using the table hr.employees and now you can see this is the records and this is your salary column is there. So now highest salary is 24,000, second highest salary is 17,000, twice times. Third highest salary is now 14,000. Like this, that's continue. So with the help of this query, we can get here second highest salary. So second highest salary is now 17,000 of Nina and Lax. Now let's understand how's that query that work. So here I'm using this is the inner query, and now with the help of this query we can easily create the rank. So rank created, rank on salary column. So this here 24,000 is the topmost, so it's creating one rank. 17,000, that's twice times, so here that's so to-do is created. And here 14,000, this is here 3, and like this, that's continue. Okay, now select a star, so that means this selected all the columns. If I take the cursor, here you can see this selected all the columns. Now this here, so dense rank created on salary columns. So if you give here descending, then highest to lowest. So this is dense rank created on the salary columns, so that's here highest to lowest. So 25,000 is the highest descending order. This is the salary dense rank created, and in place of this all, here alias is now rnk. Rank rnk is the alias this created. Okay, so this query that return this all here. After that, the next is here I am applying this all. So with T is the common table expression T, then select a star. So here common table expression, so ST, that's for, that means HR employees. So here that's selecting all the columns from here T. Here if you take the cursor, this all columns that selected including BNK. So whatever inside there, this all the column included RNK also selected. After that, select a star from T. This selected all the columns, and after that, for second highest salary, we need to give here 2. So 2, then if I run this query, then you can get your second highest salary is now or 2, or here second highest salary is now 70,000 of lakhs, and that's displayed. With the help of RNK, we can achieve this. Okay, so dense rank that required. So this is the first query. Now after that, here I'm using the second query. So here now this here, this is the table HR employees, and this table that selected because here side is the duplicate. If the duplicate that font, no need to worry about this one, that's returned here, that's considered 1, and here that's displaying the 70,000 is the second highest salary twice times there. Now let's understand this query. So this query that returned. Now if I run this query, okay, I did the mistakes. We need to select from this places. Now if I run this query, so this return here 24,000 and 17,000. Okay, this return this all. So this return here 24,000 and 17,000. After that, now T that's taken, and here select means salary. Okay, after that from, and if I take this or T is there, so this place or this here is T is there. So this return here 24,000 and 17,000. So which is the minimum? Obviously, if after calculating this one here, the mean salary that's come here 17,000. So this place is the minimum salary is now 17,000. Now where So select a star from. So this selecting all the columns from HR employees. Now thereafter here you can see. So let's give here this place employee ID. Now to selecting all the columns. Then after or salary columns. Now let's run this one. Now here you can compare. So this value is now minimum, that's returning in place of this all, that's returning here 17,000. So this place 24,000 equal to 70,000, that's not true. 17,000 is equal twice times, so that this condition is true, then that select here employee ID and the salary. Now if I run this, here you can see employee ID 101 and 102 has the salary is now 17,000. Okay. So this return this place or this returning here 17,000. Okay, 17,000 that's returned, salary is 17,000, that's fine. Then after condition is true, then this selecting two column, or if you want then here you can write a star. So a star, that means it's select here all the columns, and here you can see 17,000 is twice times is there. So this is how we can select second highest salary in Microsoft SQL Server. One is using 10th rank, and if you don't want 10th rank, then you can use here this query. It's also returned the same output. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.